I mop the floor. I mop the floor.
I wipe my mouth. I wipe my mouth.
I tie my hair. Tie my hair.
I wipe the floor. I wipe the floor.
I turn on the water. I turn on the water.
I turn off the water. I turn off the water.
I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I take a shower.
I use shampoo. I use shampoo.
I close the cabinet. I close the cabinet.
I hang the towel. I hang the towel. I use toilet paper. I use toilet paper.
I put on clean clothes. I put on clean clothes.
I use soap. I use soap.
I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I rinse my mouth. I rinse my mouth. I wash my face. I wash my face.
I dry my face. I dry my face.
I clean the mirror. I clean the mirror.
I stand at the sink. I stand at the sink. I replace the toilet paper. I replace the toilet paper.
I remove dirt. I remove dirt.
I clean the sink. I clean the sink.
I spray air freshener. I spray air freshener.
I feel fresh. I feel fresh. Did you learn how to do daily living activities? Subscribe for more videos.